Hi, I'm Grayson with Lost Highway Kennels.
And I'm Emily with Shorthairs and Shotguns, and this is our companion Gundog training channel.
Hey everybody, today we're shooting our intro to launchers with Echo and Gibson. This is a follow-up to our previous video, which was our introduction to birds, primarily with Echo. If you will, please check the link in the description to go back to that video prior to watching this one. I hope you enjoy it. What you're going to see in the first video is Echo is going to have a quail launched for her. She does establish point. Had she not, we would have launched on proximity, but this was her introduction to launcher. She got downwind of it. She did establish a point. She hooked a little bit and we went ahead and launched. She gave chase and we cracked the whip. The video following that, you're going to see Gibson. This is Gibson's first day with a launcher, and we're in the depth of summer, or at least in early summer, and we no longer have access to flying quail. And we're going to show Gibson a pigeon. He has had a lot of quail in chase. He's seen a lot of pigeons fly from hand. And so today we want to make sure that I get that bird launched based on proximity. I'm not going to worry about whether he gets in the wind at all, and you'll see that. We'll explain that in the video. So essentially we want to get him relatively close and let him see that his actions hopefully are the thing that's creating that flush and causing that bird to flush and run away or fly away. The video following is going to be Echo again, and this is a little bit down the road from the very first video in this particular series. So we saw her flush that, or get that quail launched for her in the first. In this one, she's going to establish point. This is a handful of pigeons and launchers later. We're beginning to extend her duration on point at this point, and you're going to see that. So we give her time. She still takes a step. That creates the launch, but I want you to pay attention to how much time she's given us. So next step for Echo is really going to be beginning work in the yard. We'll probably shoot her a couple of birds along the way, keeping her attitude right. But we're going to teach her to start stopping in the field, and she's going to see a lot more birds launched where she doesn't have direct access to the odor. So the launcher will be downwind of Echo as opposed to the reverse, which it is currently. So I hope you get something from that. Please contact us if you have any questions, and we hope you enjoy the videos. We're out with Gibson now. Gibson is a little behind Echo. He's seen a lot of loose quail, done some chasing and catching as well. This is his first launcher experience. So this is going to be a strict proximity flush. Gibson may not smell this bird in this launcher at all. It's a big, fat, meat pigeon, big white bird that hopefully will draw his attention. But either way, I'm essentially waiting for him to get to the end of this lane, and this bird's launching one way or another, and hopefully he gets a little wind on it, but if not, no big deal. Come on, Gary. I'm going to bring him across just because we know he didn't, and proximity flush. Good. Okay, let's go get it. Whip crack. Good. All right, we're out with Echo today. We've got some shifting winds, and it's a very warm day, and we're doing a launcher intro. This is
She's pointing.
Potentially her, I think, second contact on the launcher. We know she's got a lot of point. She's been exposed to a lot of quail. She's also had the opportunity to do quite a bit of chasing and even a little bit of catching with her quail. And like you can see here, very little launcher work to get her nice and staunch.
well off the bird. I know the wind just shifted. I'm going to let that one little settle. I'm going to let it go. The next one will buy a launch.
The next step.
The next step, pardon me, the next movement. There, throw it up. No chase, that's fine. She's been exposed to plenty of whip. We're going to go ahead and crack it just for context.
Oh.
Good. And so she's out here right now, obviously exploring, finding the launcher. It's what I would consider an odor that is incidental to the bird. So that launcher is always going to be a part of the scent picture when we're doing launcher work, but essentially the bird is always going to be our target odor, and it will not always be associated with a launcher. So there'll be times, obviously, when she may see a launcher out in the field with no bird in it. Residual odors a part of the scent picture we have to deal with. So I let the dogs go ahead and explore, find the launchers. When they're in allowing obvious chase at this age, we'll begin to limit that at some point, but she's got quite a bit of distance to go before we start worrying too much about that. We want to see her hunting big and bold, and this time of year is hard to do. So we're gonna get through the summer, keep enjoying Echo, keep allowing her to get downwind of these birds. We'll probably begin to start teaching her to stop from upwind of the launcher, but for now, just puppy fun.